AMD's a little far, so I don't gotta worry about that for now. Like Hood is the best looking setup. I mean, it sucks that it has to be on Hood, but that's like $1.50 away.
Hopefully, it doesn't take us back to the Hood after yesterday, bro.
Hopefully, it doesn't rob us. Yeah. Hopefully, it does not rob the Hood.
You don't like Roku?
Angel, no. No, the reason I don't like Roku, maybe it changes once it gets back above 100. The contract are just trash. I've been watching it for like an entire like week, because it's been approaching this 100 level. So I've been seeing if it has any good open interest or volume. Nothing. So hopefully it changes once we get back above 100. Because I'm not gonna play 100 with how bad those contracts are. If something changes, then
It might pick up when it gets to like that 105 area.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Maybe.
When we get back up to that area.
We don't
Because
have
I think
anything
if
on Meta, right?
Roku, what's up?
I was just sorry, I didn't realize you were still talking about Roku. I was just saying we don't have anything on Meta, do we? I don't see anything.
I don't. Not until we get back up to 765 or even 766.
Yeah.
So what's the top 2 plays here?
My only top play is Hood.
Same.
I don't like. Do I like Tesla 345? No. The problem with Tesla is we keep going back into this range, and I'm tired of playing this range.
Yo, Meta just started going real quick.
Word?
Yeah.
It's up like 1% now.
That doesn't mean we're taking it. It just means it's a possibility today now.
So
Yeah, I'll put it on the side in case it does come up. But
Where do you want Hood at?
118.
Yeah.
Okay.
What contracts?
And that's
the 120s.
I'm sure you could do 118s or 120s, so we'll see when market opens.
Team's got 30,000 almost 20,000.
Yo, he's mad smart. I put the medicine in his food today. Smelled it.
Yeah, no, Jared. With that being said, make sure y'all size accordingly. It is open early, so make sure y'all not going crazy already because it is in the first couple minutes. 2, it is Hood. So plan accordingly, size accordingly, and hopefully y'all don't sit there and if y'all don't like it, then don't take it. Just watch. There's nothing wrong. Just watch.
Bless you.
Exactly, Kunal. Listen to Kunal, guys.
Don't let the Hood put you back in the hood. Yes.
Do you think the CEO makes jokes like that?
Huh?
Do you think the CEO makes jokes like that? Robin Hood?
Alright. If this goes straight up, are we taking this?
I mean,
probably not.
Wait, Hood is pretty
I think
far,
I
no?
would if I think I would just with lighter size.
Yo, is Hood not far?
Yeah, it's like $2
Yeah,
away,
but,
right?
but there's something else that's close though.
Oh, okay.
So.
Well, that's a big little candle down.
Yeah, we're like.
Yeah, I mean nothing's close. So.
You know what, guys? Change of plans.
Oh, Hood had a red to green.
Red to green?
Yep.
Oh,
I'm gonna get this ready.
Me too. What contracts?
I have the 120s, but I think the 118s might be better. Yeah, 118s are way better.
Yeah, they are.
Trying to pay for the new iPhone today, you know what I mean?
Okay, Benji.
Bro, I gotta buy like 10 of those today.
Yo, are they having a foldable one? That's like the rumor. Like a foldable iPhone? That's the rumor, right?
Nah, not today.
I don't think that's till next year.
Yeah.
True.
We would have had some news on that on Twitter somewhere. That shit would have been leaked.
Yeah, facts.
My alert is at 117.70.
117.70. We're looking at 118 calls. Who's out? All right, let's see. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm ready to get in, guys.
It's got mad close, right?
Yeah.
I don't even know. I it hit my early alert, which thankfully I didn't fucking react to it.
I just need this thing to chill out a little.
Uh-huh. That's a funny wick right there, huh?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
All right, in all seriousness, the high was 117.65. Oh, which makes it that's actually a nice spot. I might just make it 1 cent higher.
Getting close.
Yep, I'm looking at the 118 calls. The bid is hot. The ask is kind of fucked up for me. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's just super volatile right now. That's the
Is
issue.
that why?
Yeah,
The
that
ask
has to
shows
be. I mean, I'm
lower.
looking at this. It's just moving crazy right now.
Should probably look at it on Moomoo. I just don't know if I have time to open that tab up.
Because on IB, it's just moving crazy right now too.
Okay. It's like the first order on the ask is fucked up on my end. I'm gonna just go with the alert, guys. It's fine. I'm gonna change it to the ask on the alert. Fine.
I think we have. I think we're looking at the right level because that's 2 rejections now at 60 cents.
Okay.
So I think
Uh,
70 is pretty valid for an entry.
Yeah.
My level 2 is like, I don't even know.
Yeah.
I'm
Level
not-
two, that's
yeah,
why
bro.
you just gotta focus on this alert here. I put it on ask instead of mark. Any interest in AMD? I haven't even looked. I took it off this morning. Should I put it back? Let me
It's not
see.
doing anything interesting.
No. Yeah, no. I see it. Damn, these are pretty cheap. How many am I gonna buy?
300.
Yeah, that's exactly what I just typed out, most likely. I don't know. We'll see. Probably. Again, here we go with this ask bullshit. So focus on the alert, guys. I'm gonna tell you what I fill at or what I think I filled at as soon as I buy. We're looking at the 118 calls on Hood. HOOD.
I will try this once. I'm not gonna look to retry this if we stop out.
What's the stop out on this? The contracts I noticed
The spreads get wild too on the
it's not
contracts.
it's better now, but I think what I would do is when you get to 117, the contracts go to 270. And if we take it at that 117.70, it'll be about $3. So you're losing about 30 cents per contract if we hit our stop. So I think that's what my stop's going to be, 30 cents a contract. So from if I get in at $3, it'll be 270.
Nothing else is going on right now either, so we're fine.
QQQ acting funny. Bro, I'm not feeling good this morning, so I'm trying to finish as early as possible. Huh? Oh, man. Hello. Yo. These wicks are shivering my timbers. You played it?
I got it in range. So what's $35
Oh,
I was up like 200 at the time.
type of fucking entries you got?
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know. I was just liking the momentum.
Yo.
Oh boy, he feeling frisky today, huh?
A
Yeah.
little, yeah.
A little too frisky. This ain't the one. Yo, Jared. I'm dead. All right. Let's do it. So we're pushing here. We're back above 117, guys.
I moved my alert to 65 cents on the ask.
Mine's
I
at
s-
66.
Okay.
We're at the same team. 65 might be better, but should I do that too?
I just think 70 will be too late. Like
I-
if I wait for
66
70,
might
it's
be
just gonna
fucking
pop. I know, bro, but I want to do 60, but the problem with that is these wicks are insane.
I just changed mine to 65 with you. Just moved it 1 cent down.
Nothing else going on. Nope.
Is there anything else? Even any like funny shit? No.
Nah.
There is one little side project we might have today, but AMD got tired of being the weakest link, I guess, today.
What's a side project there, Nor?
I think one of you guys said it this morning, but I was looking at it. UNH.
Oh yeah, I said it. We got two side projects because Hood technically a side too.
These candles on Hood start to give you hope when it does that. We don't want hope. Tipping my.
So what? After the event, the Apple event, you can go up there and pre-order or what?
No.
Last year they did like a reservation for like a pre-order. It's like a pre-order where you can
Yeah,
like just like save your spot in line kind of. Where like as soon as Friday like the pre-orders drop on Friday, you're like first in line kind of thing.
they didn't let Frankie do it because you have to provide proof of citizenship.
Clearly, Minor doesn't remember because of his dementia that he got hanging out with Biden. So
Yeah, all right. Yo, bro, I'm on stream. Just make sure you provide your citizenship this time, all right?
all right.
All right, what's going on with my level 2, bro? I'm doing level 2 on fucking on Mumu. What is this called? Hold up. Orders.
Level 2 on Mumu is it's called order book. It's working fine.
Yeah, nah, no. TOS just this is why we migrated to fucking Mumu. All right. Yep. Beautiful. Not one thing wrong here.
Yeah, meta
That
is
would've been
strong,
more
but
trade.
I don't have anything right here.
Meta, where's it at?
Market's just choppy right now. We don't gotta
Yeah.
rush anything. So
Yeah.
Guys, the
Just
last
chill
few
out.
days have been absolutely incredible. If you were in the hood, you are no longer in the hood after these few days. So let's just chill today. All right. We don't need to rush. Keep it down over there, buddy. This isn't a concert. All right. It's getting freaky right now.
If this was any other stock, like Tesla or Meta, I would say 117.30 would be a good entry, early entry, or anything above 40 cents. Because it's hood, I'm gonna stay away from that.
You're feeling frisky, bro.
That's why I said if it was any other stock, I'd do.
Nah. That means you're trying to jump on this shit.
Nah, I'm not trying to
trying
jump
to
on
ride it.
anything. Nah, see now you're doing too much.
Oh my god, bro. Neek. I don't really like it, to be honest with you. Not yet. Could get there though.
I will say though,
Robinhood may
uh,
hit 160 on 100% revenue growth.
I will say this though, there are a lot of people mentioning Meta. You're more than happy to trade Meta and not hood.
English.
That's where you get a lot of screen time, a lot of actual experience trading. So
You feel me, man?
Oh shit, wrong one. All right. Huh? Nigga said, "Do I like the consolidation?" What you think, bro? We're still watching it, so yeah, of course we like it. What else are we gonna like? Well, what do you see on? Explain to the chat what you see on Tesla right now.
I'm feeling like at this point I'm eager to take a trade, y'all. And
I'm not gonna lie, he's making me feel like it's Wednesday already.
Yeah, bro.
350, you know what I'm saying? Eager to do something right now. Go about
What
it.
the
I'm
heck?
ecstatic.
Nigga.
I'm ecstatic.
You see him about to start snorting this shit. Like, go about push. I could do that.
Why do you have that outfit on?
You can draw a 1 minute downturn from the top of the candle on hood.
You got a date?
I don't know.
Now Meta's pushing, but they're still at no levels for me.
Stupid, bro. You're like Dez if this was the Kai Cenat group.
Oh shit, that's bad, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Is that the guy who said the unfiltered stuff?
Yes, bro, he is. Did you see what he did on that stream, bro? This
I sent the
my
I sent
friends
the
are a
video
fucking
to-
liability, bro.
Nah, I said that's Benji right there, Nor.
Oh yeah. I saw that. Yo, coin, what the freak,
Coinbase going off. What's that,
bro?
dude?
From 303 to 313, straight up.
That's hard, bro.
You didn't signal any of that?
Huh?
You didn't signal any of that?
Shut the fuck up. Circle is also ripping. Alright, bro, I'm hungry, tired.
I'm just past that, bro. I was working out yesterday.
No, you weren't.
Yeah, I was.
How?
I was boxing
Where?
in the streets. I got the gloves too, nigga. You don't want that.
Yo. Lock in, bro.
Nah, for real, we was boxing downtown.
Yeah, you're not wrong, Nick. I don't like how many like weird stocks were mentioned this morning.
Wait, where, Newman?
Yeah.
Yo, set the match up with Doorman.
Always doors, landlord.
What the? Wait, it's landlord?
That's what he jacked. Yeah. The doorman is crazy though. I ain't gonna lie. The doorman is the nigga that opened the door for you. Yeah,
Ali, I'm not gonna eat breakfast, but I'm hungry. That doesn't change the fact, buddy. I just didn't eat last night. So what does the landlord do? Direct traffic?
Yeah. No, the landlord is the person that fixes utilities around the buildings and stuff.
Yo. All right. Oh, Meta's starting to get to the point where this is a very big possibility. We're at 763 as the market's falling, which is interesting. Tesla is also doing some weird shit, but it's in the middle of nowhere. Is this worth even like trying? Nah, never mind. It just ripped. And Meta. Fuck. All right, so I gotta leave right after this.
Yo, you charge anything over here?
Why you need my charger? Why don't you come more prepared? Huh? Just wondering. Wacky. No problem, buddy. All right, Hood is a wrap. Wrap that shit up. Definitely not Circle. Hood. I mean, not Hood. AMD's come back to the Hood though. Meta just pulled back. I actually am going to look to take a trade there. Let's see if I can find anything that looks very nice. Meta. Okay. What is this shit at? 11. All right, guys, I'm looking at 780 calls on Meta. This might be one of those days. Okay, so 780 calls I'm looking at. Tesla pulled back. Let's see what Meta ends up doing here. Bomboclats. Bomboclats, my youths. Why do you get quiet?
There's nothing.
Do I like Tesla? Um, um, I don't know. Do you like Tesla?
I didn't like Tesla. I sold about 350.
What is it at? It's holding.
I personally don't have any setups on it, Dinero. Like the only setup I would have on it is like that. This gap doesn't start till like what
Just set up that ass.
148.50 on Baba, but there's no like actual real setup there anyway.
Market is dying here.
All right, guys, meta. I'm looking to get in here. I'm looking at 780 calls. Entry is going to be around 763.20. And market's dying. So let's see if we can get the right move here. I'm in. 294 is my fill. Let's see if we can get the market to stop pulling back here. 294 is my fill. Is that a new high? No.
No.
All right, market bounced and then now it's meta is just chilling. We're already at 310 a contract, so it looks like contracts are gaining some value. All right, meta. No funny shit today. Okay, pulled back. We're at 280 a contract. Do here. Okay, nice candle. A little bit more here, guys. I'm green. All you need is a power candle through that high, and I think we get a nice little move up to 764.40. And then from there, we'll judge if we stay in until 765. So let's see if we can get things done here. It's funny because Meta looks like it's doing better every time the market pulls back. So hopefully that uses it to its advantage here. Get the bid to move now. Come on. Green again. A little bit more.
Well, NQ's having a red candle too.
Yeah. Interesting. I almost want to have a really tight stop here, even though it could be too quick. So let me just see what's going on. 762.77. Contract still green, break even. Green actually, nicely.
Red to green there. Market's having a
Market's
hefty
having a
red
rough
candle.
candle. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is cool. Stay on your toes though, right? This is not your Tesla. It can change at any given moment. I think I'm gonna have a strict stop at 761.80. It's 83.
New high on the ask.
Yeah.
So
All right, contract's 310. I'm looking for. I want this high to be taken out. Let me set an alert.
just need that spread to get tight. That bid is not catching up.
Yeah, it's the QQQ. When you have these rough candles here, it's nothing Meta can do here. It is doing its best and it's holding up really well, and I'm surprised.
The bid was so close to getting above 763 there. I think it was like a couple cents.
You
away.
need to ask above the 30-cent level, and I think this bid goes bonkers, especially the way it's holding. I just want to see what happens. If I can just get a reaction there, I'll either sell it for slightly green or just cut it wherever. I just want to see what happens there at that 763.30.
Here you go. You got the bid coming up now.
Nice. The
There
10
you
cent.
go.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens here. Let's see. But then QQQ does this, and then Meta doesn't react, which is hilarious.
She's doing its own thing.
Yeah. Oh wow, QQQ ripping. This is Maki's time.
Yes, bouncing right off of 6,500 there.
Still
Yo,
break
Maki-
even green here, guys.
Maki, wrong stock, not NQ, Meta.
Nice, new high. The bid, let's see that bid come up though. Come on. Mark, oh my god, QQQ is a fucking loser, bro.
I think Meta's the loser here. I don't think it's the market.
Nah, not really. Like if you look at Tesla, it's crashing. Look at Hood, like Meta's doing the best out of its peers here. Like way better. Complete opposite of its peers. So Meta is definitely the one. It's just
Oh, there you go.
there it goes. Contract's not
No-
moving well though.
Yeah, they are not. Yeah.
I think that's just due to the fact you just need the okay.
I think
Whoa.
just because of that, I'm just gonna sell at 64.
Yeah, let's see. 310 a
I'm gonna-
contract. Why is it doing that?
I'm just gonna keep things simple. I mean,
Okay.
these are not.
Let me know what
these
you
are-
let the chat know what you do and I'll make adjustments.
Yeah. At 764, I'm just gonna break of that. I'm just gonna sell. There's no point in me holding these. These are not moving.
Yeah, I don't like that. We're not
I don't
supposed to
see.
get
They should move if we hit that. I mean, that'd be a big move, no? But I'm probably am gonna sell as well with Frankie if it doesn't get like a little. If it doesn't move at all.
bruh.
Back-
What the fuck is this?
Yeah.
Yo,
I'm finna see.
what the hell?
Yeah, I don't like that at
They
all.
lost a lot of
My
value on
TOS
that
just
pullback
crashed. I
actually.
think.
Yeah, I'm about to get out though. Giving it one more second here. Let's see. This doesn't bounce here, I'm out. I'm out. Fuck that.
Same.
It's not even worth it. It's not paying on the green side. That was annoying. What? That's so stupid. Canal said 770s were moving nice, but when I was looking at the contracts to get in, they didn't have nearly as many volume. Yeah, the volume caught up on the 770. Oh, not really though. That's stupid. I lost about 12 to 14% on that. And then look at this now. So stupid. Yeah, but look at the contracts still. Yeah, where I'm staying away from this. I'm okay. Contracts just wasn't gaining any value. Circle died. Did Baba get the right move this morning? Barely. Tesla coming for a low day. Whoa, QQQ
Yo.
just yeah.
What was that?
That's wild. Yeah, Tesla slipped there. LOL. That's just a little bit a little morning BS. We kind of saved ourselves there. I'm fine with that. There's nothing we could do about that right there. Okay. Guys, I'm looking at Tesla for a sec here. Let's just see what happens. You got Tesla 347.
Did I miss anything? Anything happen?
No, your PC was bugging.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know. It like I sold before it even did that. God bless. But yeah, it was like black screening. The
Look at
screen was
Meta.
flickering.
What are those contracts at?
$2.
Yeah, that's terrible.
Down $1, bro.
Yeah, no.
Yo, but honestly though, for a $3 drop for the contracts only being down $1, it's
Yeah,
not bad
yeah.
either. Not bad either.
Yeah.
The delta was
It
40,
lost
so
more
every
on the
dollar
initial drop than it did on the rest of the drop.
What'd you say, Maki? Sorry.
I said the 780s were had a 40 delta, so every dollar it moves $40 on the
It
contract.
didn't give me $40.
It didn't do that on
I know, that's
bro.
the crazy part. I know that's
Yeah.
crazy.
I think those.
I already looked at that too, and I don't know. That was wild.
I think the issue, because I see that happen a lot with Meta without the money contracts, where contracts just don't gain value on like small moves
Ah,
like
but it's
that.
Tuesday though. That's not it right there.
And the moves on Meta as well right now aren't volatile either, like the ones we typically catch.
Shake my head. Oh, 770's only moved 20 cents. All right, guys, I'm looking at 340 puts on Tesla. If this starts to get weak, I'm gonna take this.
Looking at 345.
I'm in. I got filled at 360. It's just weak. Still weak here with the market pop. All right, 360 is my fill on these 340 puts. Whoa, 380 a contract already. Here we go. Get it. Nice pop again. What's the market doing? That's annoying. All right. All right, contracts 345, 350.
We do have a nice like flat bottom at 345.
Yeah, I was gonna wait there for 345, but it just
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for that.
I'll most likely stop out soon though. So let's see what happens here. Mock, you looking at upside probably, right?
I'm not looking at anything. My bad, boss. I was watching the news.
Contract's almost at
I looked at our other stocks. There's nothing going on. like
All
zero.
right. Tesla, back to 360 a contract.
Think I'll get Tesla ready.
I still think this is a nice move here. I might even add soon. Yeah, look at this. 375 a contract. All right,
I'm
let's
gonna look
see.
to- I'm gonna look to play Tesla pretty simple myself. I'm just gonna have my alert at 345.30 and just play the breakdown at that level. So
I'm not adding right here, guys. I gotta see a little bit more.
heavy wick on NQ and
Yeah,
Tesla's still
bro.
holding.
Uh-huh. If it can continue to hold under that 346, it's good. Look at that bounce. Contract's doing well. Not really. I don't see any tweaks there.
And my alert is at 30 cents. 345.30. I'm gonna be playing the 345 puts though.
Okay.
So
My contracts are still 360 right here, which is wild. 355. Yeah, QQQ is running here. That sucks. Okay. Got the bounce. I'm watching the contracts more than I'm watching the stock here because market's taking this higher. I'm almost down 10% here.
day. Yeah, it's a lot slower of a day. We kind of expected that already from pre-market because of the stocks we were looking at. So that's why George even prefaced, not just because on Hood, but just overall, to size careful today. Size a lot lighter because of that reason. Like when like a day like this, when you have zero setups and you see us like talking about these weird stocks that we don't look at every single day, you know it's a day to size down. Not it's a bad day, but definitely size down because it could turn into a bad day if you size incorrectly. So
All right, look, guys, QQQ is ripping and Tesla's still holding back in my eyes here. I'm just going to stay strict and use the top of the previous candle, basically, the high, which is 347.30 something. So I'm going to use 347.31 as a hard stop, which will be around like 13% stop. But I don't have a full position. I'm looking to add when Frankie gets in. So Frankie's looking to get in at what? 345 what?
30.
30. So that's where I would add a bigger position to that. So I can have a large, it's 350 a contract right now. 360. So we're back to break even here. Green actually. So contracts are holding up and they're actually doing better, but at any given moment, this could pop again because of QQQ just doesn't want to stop here. Yeah.
Yo, QQQ is not stopping.
What the, see, like QQQ doing that and Tesla not really getting the move. I'm still gonna have to cut, but it sucks because it's still way behind, you know? I'd love to give this a chance, but I can't really right now. See, look at that on Tesla. All it took was just a wick there. Waiting for the candle to close though. See, it rejected right at that spot again. Yo, that flat top on QQQ, are you gonna play that?
I'm a Kyle.
If you're playing it, I'm playing it.
See?
Did North stop out? I am not sure.
No, I didn't, but the stop was 31, but I'm about to stop here. I just wanted to see what that red candle would have done. 30.47, 31 was the stop though that I said on the mic, so. You got more buying power, E? Huh? I'm done for the day. Like, I don't think I would call anything out unless QEQ came into play. Like, I don't see anything other than Tesla.
Yeah, I was gonna bring up what De Niro said too. I mean, I'll say it on mic so if people aren't reading the stock chat. He said, keep in mind you do not have to do what he does because he has a little more risk tolerance than most of us. What I was gonna add to that is on a day like this too, for a lot of the newer traders, it's probably not even worth most of you holding this kind of trade because just how of a choppy day it is. It's probably more of like experienced, like I don't want to say veteran, but traders who just have experience can handle the loss.
Yo, Meta came back. Huh? Yeah, but it was like it was really the contracts, not even the stock. Yeah, probably done. UNH is also making a move. I guess I just got an alert. Yeah, it is.
Oh, that is, yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
fast.
I'm just gonna be watching that. I'm not gonna be trading that one. So
You're not trading it?
no, not my
Alright.
kind of stock.
I could sell Tesla here and just fuck it, break even basically, or just rock with this and not even look at UNH. Hold up, UNH. Yeah, I'm gonna rock with Tesla for now. All right, contracts are break even basically here at 360. There goes Tesla, new low coming in, about 12 cents away there. UNH, no. Tesla, where we at? 345.90. Yo, Tesla, bro. No reason.
Tesla
no
just needs to
reason.
reject. He just needs to reject 40 cents here.
Shit looks. They need to pull this fucking bid. That's what they need to do.
Mikey's gotta shake it. That's what he's gotta do.
Leave me alone, man.
Not today, bro. I'm fed up today.
All right, pop in the market. Where are we at? Mark, am I being biased on Tesla?
No, I mean larger time framing looks good. I just think it's choppy today.
Yeah, might just say fuck it. I'm back tomorrow.
See, the level itself is valid, larger time frame. The early entry, I understand because it was ahead of the market. Everything makes sense. He's just being hard-headed, you know.
I think I'm just gonna cut it in a second here. Let's see. My finger's on the sell button though. It's just like now we start holding. No reason here. Did Apple do anything? Let's see. No. Usually it's hype and then they sell the news, but we don't even have hype this morning.
That's true, Yusuf. That is true.
What?
What he just said.
Yup.
Yup.
All right. Yeah, it's getting to a point. I think I'm gonna cut it.
It's not true, Frankie.
What?
I guess some people have a different experience, no?
I don't have any experience, but
see, other Yusuf, come on, bro.
Guys, my finger's on the cell again. Such a movie right now, bro. Yo. Yeah, I'm about to let go. I got out, guys. I'm not even gonna deal with that. Fuck that. So, out of there. Fuck it. Who wants to come down? Fuck it. Doesn't. Now it's dropping.
I'm gonna stick here till 11. So if you guys want to ask some questions for a little, I'm down to answer for a few. That will be my hard cutoff time. The only trade I'm looking at left is Tesla. That's the only reliable, good. Well, I want to say reliable, but good setup that I see left. So.
The issue is the market is dumping like crazy. So I don't know. We'll see if it gets below like 50 cents here on Tesla. We'll find out.
I mean,
Right
you know
now,
why the market's dumping, right?
Man, bro.
All right, my bad. I'll walk away.
Yo, when's the Apple event?
1 p.m. Eastern. So I think that's like what, 12 for you?
That's gonna be a movie. Oh,
Yo,
Tesla's
imagine if they
dropping-
did announce the flip phone.
Tesla,
that'd be
Tesla.
I see it coming. Yeah, it's just the market's dropping aggressively right now. No, I assume you're done. If you're at your computer still. Meta forming a flat top at 764. What you think? I'm good off of Meta, bro. Honestly, I'm not even mad about Meta. I'm mad about my PC, but I want to be mad at Meta though. So, because regardless, Meta didn't even play out, so I could still be mad at Meta. Hennessy, I talked about it briefly. I mean, you won't ever know the exact answer on something like that. My only assumption is with the days that we do trade Meta and you guys see those contracts actually move, it's because there's volatility. Today is a slow moving day, and I knew that going into Meta. I assume that's one of the reasons why. The other reason why is they were I would consider those pretty far out the money for a stock like Meta. Like yes, it's Tuesday. But on top of that, again, it's the volatility that's really low today. Like the IV is just not so much the IV, but just how the way the stock is moving today. Like I said, you won't ever find the exact answer. Oh, Tesla just randomly popped down. Weird. But yeah, you won't ever find the exact answer why on something like that, just because there's too many variables, especially when you're trading option contracts. So that's just the unfortunate part.
QQQ is approaching a big level. Where's Tesla? Oh shit.
It's coming down here soon. I'm about to get in soon. I missed my entry there, but I think
know
I'm
it
gonna
was
make
30 cents.
it around 15 cents because of that candle. There we go. Like I said, I'm just gonna try this once. If I stop out, then I stop out. I'm just gonna keep this simple. It's a chopped up day anyways, so there it goes. I was waiting to sell everything at around 70 cents. NQ is getting pretty aggressive, so I want to see if Tesla can either catch up or start being weak on its own. So if not, then I have a pretty tight stop. So I was up 20 cents there on the contract. Let's see what Tesla can do here. NQ still dropping. Tesla's actually holding up. So that's a red flag as of now. And Tesla was actually holding up pretty well when NQ was dropping there the entire time. So it did have red flags before I got into the trade, but I think because of how aggressive those candles are, I think Tesla has a chance to catch up on its own. Trying to flip green. If this can flip green to red, I think we have this on lock right now. Just flipped green to red. My target was around 344.70. About to sell here any second now.